Did you know the most feared ruler in Europe died in 3 feet of water? Frederick Barbarossa was the Holy Roman Emperor who made kings tremble. For decades, he crushed rebellions and invaded Italy 6 times. His red beard struck fear across the continent. In 1190, Frederick joined the Third Crusade with the largest army ever assembled. Over 100,000 soldiers followed him toward the Holy Land. Victory seemed certain. But then came the Salef River in Turkey. It was barely waist deep, so shallow you could walk across it without getting your chest wet. The mighty emperor who had conquered cities and defeated armies somehow drowned in this tiny stream. Some say his heavy armor dragged him down. Others believe he had a heart attack in the cold water. Within hours, his massive army fell apart. Soldiers deserted by the thousands. The greatest crusader force in history vanished overnight. Frederick had lived. He might have recaptured Jerusalem. Instead, one small river changed the fate of the Crusades forever. Sometimes history's biggest moments come from the smallest accidents.